So it's another supermarket run today, and I don't actually need to go today, but I think it's going to rain tomorrow, so it would be better to go today than tomorrow. I think. Later. And I'm back without falling off. I'm not sure if I should make a big thing of that because I hadn't fallen off in over a year. And I wouldn't have fallen off if my shoelace had been tied directly. Anyway, I didn't fall off today. And that's news apparently. Donald Trump is looking to start a war. I don't know. He's a stupid person. Anyway, well, I suppose I should do the usual and step inside, and then I can say, "Okay, Google, tell me a joke."
Here we go. How do you start the Teddy Bear Olympics? Ready, Teddy, go.
Ready, Teddy, go. I like that one. Okay, until tomorrow then.